We shouldn't have left you without a dope beat. Step two. It's been a long time. We shouldn't have left you without a dope beat. Step two. Baby girl.
What would you do to get to me? What would you say to have your way? Would you give up or try again? If I hesitate to let you in, now would you be yourself or play a role? Tell all the boys I'll keep it low. If I say no, would you turn away or play me off? Or would you stay? Oh, first you don't succeed. Dust yourself off and try again. You can dust it off and try again and try again. Cause at first you don't succeed. You can dust it off and try again. Dust yourself off and try again and try again. Into you into me, but I can't let it go so easily. Not till I see what this could be eternity or just a week. We are our chemistry. It's off the chain. It's perfect now, but will it change? This ain't a yes, this ain't a no. Just do your thing, you'll see how we go. Oh, first you don't succeed. Dust yourself off and try again. You can dust it off and try again and try again. First you don't succeed. You can dust it off and try again. Dust yourself off and try again and try again. Cause if you don't wanna go it all the way, I might be shy on the first day. What about the next day? Said you don't wanna go it all the way. Again on the first day. What about the next day? First you don't succeed. Dust yourself off and try again. You can dust it off and try again and try again. Cause if at first you don't succeed, you can dust it off and try again. Dust yourself off and try again and try again.
Okay, so my hair is done, girl. My makeup is done. I put on this cute little Fendi headband. I think it's so cute. I'm about to put on my outfit, but I want to show you guys what scent I'm about to put on. So yeah, I will be wearing either Saint Laurent and Black Opium. It smells so good every time I put it on. People always ask me like, girl, what you got on? Oh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. It smells really, really good. If I'm not wearing that though, I want to show you guys like my everyday scent. I do need to get some more, but it's the Gucci Bamboo. That is like my regular scent. Like my little brother was like, you always smell like that, because he know my scent. It smells like your flat auntie, like your auntie that you want to be up under, like, because she smells so good. But not only that, like she looks good, she smells good, and she's that chick. So yeah, that's how that smells. I am about to put on my outfit. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, girl, because we come up with some bangers. Okay, period. I love my hair. Where I got my hair from will be in the description box. The eyelashes came from the same place also. This is an HD lace wig, and believe it or not, I've had it on for about 2 weeks. And my stylist put it on first, and I had to touch it up because, you know, frontals lift. So I touched it up, and honestly it was the easiest thing ever. And I honestly blame the lace, because every single time I had like Swiss lace, it was just too thick. Every time I would try to like put it back on, it's just too thick. So this lace is so thin, so easy to apply. Like, I don't really know how to do my baby hair. It's bad, girl. I tried. This is so cute though. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm about to put on my outfit, girl. And okay, so I am back, and it's nighttime. And yeah, I know you can see the top. Let me show you the bottom. So the bottoms are like some skinny, good fitting legging. Good fitting legging. Why can't I talk? Good fitting leggings. So yeah, these are some really good fitting leggings. Okay. What do you do, pretty crew? Okay. So as you can see, I am changed into my nighttime outfit. So let's talk about the top first. So as you can see, I still have on my Fendi headband that I had on earlier. Love it, super cute. It's really, really cute. My hair has puffed out. It's not wet no more, and it's giving, okay? Giving. You like that? So yeah, I have on this top. Where I got it from, I will have it right here. I absolutely love this top, and I got a size medium. The whole 2 pieces of medium. Okay, so it does have these cute hand pockets. I like that. Those are such cute vibes. I love the neckline, super girly. I was so put on. Well, I have on this headband. Would y'all wear a necklace? I would probably wear a necklace with it, like a real thin one. A real thin, or maybe not that, honestly. Sometimes I'm a watch girl, so you'll always see me with a watch, but obviously I'm not gonna wear a watch. But yeah, so this top is super cute. It's very comfortable. The material feels really good. It's not super thin either, so I feel like I'm actually gonna be warm like in the winter time, so I can be really, really sexy going out to a lounge. So here are the leggings. They fit really, really good. Also, I definitely like these leggings. They're not thin at all. I don't have on, okay, that's TMI, but I don't have on any underwear, so I don't know if it's really see-through, but it feels really it doesn't feel see-through. You kind of know see-through. You kind of know see-through material, and I don't think this is see-through, especially since the top is a see-through. So yeah. Like I said, I will have where I got this 2-piece right here, and it'll be in the description bar. Where I got my hair from will be in the description bar. Also, so freaking cute. I can't believe I installed it myself, guys. Like, I never installed it myself. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a big thumbs up and let me know what you guys think in the comments. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button. I post 2 times a week. Period. Follow me on Instagram also. I'm always posting on my stories every single day. I don't really post often on my feed, but don't work on that. Oh, we don't work on that because I just got a good little techie situation. So